कर देंगे उसमें।
ये क्या हो गया? हाँ कनेक्टेड तो है। हेलो ठीक है बस ठीक है।
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
the part of our this initiative.
Yes, sir, they are joining, and we also have participation of EMDICs from Hoshiarpur, Sangrur, Ludhiana, Jalandhar, Amritsar, Malerkotla, Bathinda, Kapurthala so far.
Oh, very good.
Saziva sir, Alok Shekhar sir is here.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Sachdevaji.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. I think, sir, another 2 minutes, then we'll start.
Yeah,
People
sure.
are just coming
Sure.
in,
Sure.
joining.
Let me know when you are ready.
Right, 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 sir.
Karan sir has also joined.
Okay, okay.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone.
Hi, Karan. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Alok sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, Karan.
After 1 minute, I believe we should start. Just 3 or 4. In 5 पे on करते हैं. Right, and have a hand holding of the industries who have done remarkable activities and the new innovations during COVID, and they have developed those things which are really were the need of the hour and in the huge shortage. So Punjab, no doubt, industry department and the government has very well recognized these industries. But as a chamber, we have initiated to have their hand holding by have their sales support, marketing, IPR, productivity improvement, process wastage, and quality management. How can they reduce their costs, and what kind of finance they need, so that we can, as a PhD chamber, support them. This program is jointly held with GIZ as a GIZ MSME innovative program, and PhD chamber Punjab is handling hand to hand with these shortlisted members in the GIZ program, which will give their own whatever they have developed and whatever they are making, they will highlight their own. Objective of this session is to handhold these MSMEs so that they can get prospective buyers for their products. We are roping in corporates also, so that whatever directly they can buy from these MSMEs, they can be helpful for both of them, because the product will be cheaper for the corporates, and there will be direct linkages. There will be no middleman in this. So moving further, I would like to welcome you, sir. And now I would request Mr. Karan Gilhotra, who is the chair of PhD Punjab State Chapter, and he's founder of Plaksha University also, Plaksha University. So, Mr. Karan, kindly have your views and welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Alok sir, and welcome to the session on behalf of the PhD Chamber. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry and myself, I would like to extend a very warm welcome to all present here today. At the outset, I take this opportunity to express our heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Gaurav Sharma, technical expert, GIZ, for associating with us in organizing this program. I would like to welcome our chief guest, Mr. Alok Shekhar, Principal Secretary, Industries and Commerce, Government of Punjab. We are extremely grateful to you, sir, for sparing your valuable time to be with us this afternoon. We are indeed thankful for your presence in today's event. Ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity to briefly share about PhD Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Our chamber was established in 1905 and has been a proactive national apex chamber working at the grassroots level with strong national and international linkages. The chamber acts as a catalyst in the promotion of industry, trade, entrepreneurship with 130,000 companies as its member base. PhD Chamber has organized a series of sessions to address issues and concerns of the MSMEs, which is one of the core focus area of the chamber. Moving further to help MSMEs in the region, we are implementing GIZ MSME program to handhold MSMEs who have done innovations in COVID times. Today's program is 12th in the series. Friends, so I would like to welcome all of you once again, and I'm hopeful members will immensely benefit from this program. With this, I welcome all of you once again, and I also urge all the participants to take active part in the deliberations today and avail benefits from the program. Thank you.
Thank you, Karan. Since we have this program is the most important program in this series, because we have Principal Secretary Industries for Government of Punjab, which clearly shows the seriousness and the real push from the government side, Mr. Alok Shekhar. I would like to briefly introduce him. Mr. Alok Shekhar is an IAS officer from the batch of 1994 of Punjab cadre. He has a diverse professional experience of over 25 years in government service, with progressively higher responsibilities in public administration, public policy, and international relations. At present, Mr. Alok Shekhar is serving under the Government of Punjab as the Principal Secretary in charge of Department of Industries, Commerce, Investment Promotion. In his previous roles, Mr. Shekhar has served under the Ministry of Civil Aviation as a representative of India in the Council of International Civil Aviation Organization at Montreal, Canada, Joint Secretary and Director, Ministry of Civil Aviation, and he also remained Private Secretary to the Minister of External Affairs, Government of India, and along with other various administrative roles at Punjab government. We have a very dynamic officer, so let's hear him first, and then we will rope in and ask all the participants to share their views and success stories. Thank you, sir. Mr. Shekhar, please.
Thank you, Mr. Sachdeva, and good afternoon, everyone. My friends in PhD chambers and all the industry friends who are participating in today's this meet virtually. It would have been great if the times were normal, but as you know, the times are not the normal time. But nonetheless, it is good to see a large participation. I see more than 50 people already logged into this meet, which shows the kind of interest this topic has generated, which is a very relevant topic, because I feel that entrepreneurship has emerged from people's permanent desire to meet their needs. And it is in such time that this statement becomes more relevant, because COVID-19, as you know, has kind of paralyzed the world over the last 1 year. But despite that, this also gave a lot of opportunity for different businesses, different individuals, different industries to grow and prosper. To name a few, like the IT industry, the entire system of video conferencing that has emerged post-COVID is something that is kind of inspiration for all the people who are doing innovative ideas, innovative technologies, and they are working with them to find new business ideas. So innovation is at the core of the new demands, and new technologies have led to creation of the products for the market. And during these times, we see that Punjab, which had never produced any PPE kits or N95, we see that during these times, the textile industry in Ludhiana diversified into manufacturing PPE, body coveralls, and N95 masks. From a capacity of no in-house production capacity in PPE kits, today there are 141 registered PPE kit manufacturers. The businesses here in Punjab has been able to get during these times. So today's seminar, I see a number of industries which will be showcasing their own products, which have all emerged, taking into the needs of the time, and are all centered around COVID. We would be happy, and I think today is the time to hear them out. So we'll be happy to actually hear more about their products. But it is heartening to note that products like low-cost, non-polluting alternatives to disinfect various surfaces, coatings. There are sanitizers stands, sanitizer dispenser, diagnostic equipments, and so on and so forth. There are different products which are all required during these times very much to arrest the spread of coronavirus, which is again peaking. So all that I would like to say on behalf of myself and on behalf of Punjab government is that we are all with you and we are all there to support you, encourage you as you stand to market your product, to disseminate the information about your product. The Punjab government is also, the policy formulated by the Punjab government allows for a special place for Make in Punjab products as far as government procurement is concerned. I hope all the government agencies would be interested, whoever are interested to buy your products would certainly give preference to all the Make in Punjab, the products that has been made by all of you. So without taking much time, I would like to wish you the very best in your enterprise and would look forward to hear more about your products. Thank you so much. Over to you, Mr. Sachdeva.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. So nice of you and motivating all the participants. May I now request Rimneet to kindly introduce one by one and tell the participants to give their presentation quickly. She has the serial numbers and the names of the people. Rimneet.
Yeah, thank you, sir. We'll move ahead with the MSME presentations, and we'll be we'll have a look of all the COVID safety products. So first, I'll invite Mr. Vikesh from SBL Specialty Coatings to kindly share your screen. SBL Specialty Coatings, they are from Derabasi and they will make presentation about their antimicrobial paint that provides a self-disinfecting coating and can be applied on all types of surfaces.
Yeah, good afternoon, Ramneet ma'am. Can you hear us?
Yeah, we can. Please show full screen.
Yeah, is it visible now?
Yeah. Please proceed.
Okay, good afternoon to this eminent gathering. SBL Coating, a 100% subsidiary of Berger Paints India Limited, is a specialty industrial paint manufacturer and in this business since 1994, supplying industrial coatings to a large number of OEMs across the length and breadth of the country. Our strength is our very strong in-house R&D, full of dynamic and passionate professionals. We are known to provide customized solutions with the capability of a very low turnaround time. At the outburst of COVID, the challenge lay in developing a solution which could meet the problem head-on, was a long-term solution which could meet customers' aesthetic preferences, and could help customers to keep the unwarranted, unbudgeted costs related COVID-related operational costs like sanitizers, disinfectants in control. For this in-house R&D worked over time. We had to do something real fast. And that is how we came up with Magico antimicrobial coating. Magico antimicrobial coating is a revolutionary product in the sense that one, it inhibits the growth of microbes and therefore ensures our safety. And two, a single coating can be applied on a very large variety of substrates, that is plastic, metal, glass, wood, MDF, SS, plated articles, you name anything, and you can apply this coating on the same and in a color of your choice. It is more suitable for places where we have a large turnout of people. Its clear coat can be applied on a pre-coated surface to make it safe from microbes. So now here on, I'll hand over this presentation to my technical and marketing colleagues who will take it forward.
Yes, good afternoon to all the dignitaries, eminent our Principal Secretary, Mr. Alok Sekhar sir. So just like we discussed about, this is a antimicrobial or antiviral coating. So normally just like we have taken care about what are the basically antimicrobials. So basically the bacteria or the pathogens which are divided in the normally living or non-living. So normally cellular is called a bacteria and non-living is called a virus. So based on that, so we get tested our product against these parasites, protozoas, fungi, prokaryotes, virus, and prion. So basically, you can say the advantage of the coating is normally you can say because you cannot wash hands as a precautionary measure. You can wash our hands frequently, but yes, if for a permanent solution you need any kind of coating or any kind of protective layer which can prevent us from this kind of contamination of the bacteria and viruses. So basically, this antimicrobial coating, there are two categories technically. One is the releasing base, the second is the non-releasing base. Our coating system is a non-releasing base technology, which is a basically silver ion technology. In this picture, we can see the basic kind of mechanism of the antimicrobial property. Once a layer of the coating is made, so we can see the silver ions are present within a coating. And if there is whenever any drops like a bacteria or virus drops in, so on that time there is a like a mechanism of the static charge which bursts the outer shell of the bacteria, and like you can say it bursts that bacteria or virus. The Magico silver ion technology is normally it can be applied to the various surface like any kind of metal, plastic, wood, glass, etc., etc. Whatever, if you talk about the efficacy of the product, the efficacy of this product is up to the 99% plus, and it has been already tested by the NABL accredited laboratories, which we will show you. This product, there are some like you can say there are some performance paragraphs, paragraphs related with the testing. So we have just shared it. These are the supportings in terms of the test report, which has been tested by our NABL accredited laboratories. So anyone is interested, we can share this also. So now, in the nutshell, we can say this is the advanced antimicrobial coating. The attributes of this product is this is a unique revolutionary product, PU-based coating, available in the different finishes, glossy and matte, which is popular in our industry. Can be used on any surface. It can be applied by spray or by brush. This is the ease of use for a consumer. Kills 99%, so efficacy rate is a 99%. Effective till end of the coating life. This is the main attribute of this coating. Whenever my coating is going to last, it is going to protect you from the bacteria and the viruses contamination. Normally we can see, just have a look, what kind of surfaces can be coated with this product. It could be the door handle, which is from the metal. It could be the button of the lifts, which is also from the metal. In school children, furniture of the school classes, which is made by normally the ply mica, it can be protected. Our stainless steel rails, which are normally alongside with the staircases. So all kind of surfaces which are susceptible to come into the contact by hand, by palms. So we can prevent that. In conclusion, we would say again, the best part of this coating is there is no discoloration of any other adverse effect either on the appearance of the function of the treated surface, because antimicrobial coating history, microorganism physically rather than chemically. So on that time, there is a benefit because this is not a kind of releasing base. This is a non-releasing base coating. So on that time, we are going to be safe in terms of the toxicity level also. It can be easily applied on the medical devices. Right now, we are also tested and supplying in a small quantity to the Ellinger company, who is making medical instruments nearby our factory in Derabasi. And the best part of this product we developed in Punjab in Derabasi factory, and we being a part of Berger Paints, we have started to ship this product to the Bangladesh. And you can see this is the news bulletin of the Bangladesh. Berger brings innovative antimicrobial coating. So this is a proud for being for our company, for our Punjab. We developed this coating in Punjab, and now we are exporting this coating to the Bangladesh. Anyone interested in this coating can reach us at the info@sblcoatings.com. And if there is any technical query, they may contact us. And at last, being a proud Indian company, we developed this innovative product. So thank you to all dignitaries.
Thank you, SBL, for the wonderful Magico product. It is actually magical. Now I invite Mr. Siddhant Kapoor from Jalbath Fittings for their presentation. Jalbath Fitting Mohali, they are making presentation about their innovative foot operated taps which are useful across all sectors. So over to you, Mr. Siddhant. You can share your screen.
Hi, good afternoon to all the dignitaries. I am here on behalf of my organization, Jalbath Fittings. I would like to give you a brief of our company and what all innovative products we have in our portfolio for better handling of the COVID virus. So I'd like to start off by giving a brief introduction to our company. We are a faucet manufacturing brand, and we have diversified into multiple fields, and we're a one-stop solution for all bath-related products now. So be it faucets, be it kitchen sinks, be it water heaters, be it wellness products, sanitary wares. So Jal as a brand is providing all the products. We're proud to be a pioneer in the field of research and development. In this field, we've got a lot of innovative products, and we have the design and utility patents for quite a few interesting products. Other than this, we have a national and a very widespread reach of local retailers and dealer network across the country. So we have more than 1,200 retailers across the country, giving us good penetration and reach to the people at the grassroots level. With the government also, we're providing materials in a lot of government industry. So just as I told you, so we've diversified into a lot of in almost all bath related. Am I audible? I'm just getting an the connection is probably
no, but
not.
We can hear you.
All right, good. So yes, we have diversified into a lot of bath-related verticals. The innovation, the key product that I want to put forward today are our foot-operated valves. This is a design patented and a utility patented product by our company. This foot-operated valve delivers flow of water once the user presses the paddle using their foot. So it is a sensorless operation. It does not have any electronic components. It is cheaper for commercial projects, and it has a longer lasting life. So it is completely hygienic, and it has a touch-free operation. So in this time of COVID, where we are trying to minimize contact, this is a product that has done very well in hospitals, factories, restaurants, education institute. So wherever there is requirement of high frequency usage and public places, this is a product that is very easily applicable, and its implementation is really easy, even in the current structure of the system. So you do not have to change a lot of things to introduce this product into your system. So we have 4 different models of this product, depending on what price range we want, the customer wants it at. And all of these 4 models are again design and utility patents. Our products are number 1, we have patented designs. Number 2, we have a water saving product line. So we give customization and complete control over the flow rates of water. So we have capabilities of giving customized flow rates of water depending on the usage. And this enables better water saving in our products. Other than this, we have auto shut taps and magnetic cartridges. So these again are helping us in reducing electronic components in faucets, but at the same time giving us control of water control and water saving techniques. We have an ISI marked range also for all the government projects that we need to take care of. We have a production facility in Mohali, and it is a top of the line production facility. We have a low pressure die casting machine here. We have a lot of good equipment that we are using here, and we are a team of more than 320 people. So why use our product? Number one, it is water saving, which is the future. Like water is a precious resource and we must conserve it. We have a dedicated after sale service staff. So this is a product that is going to be under frequent usage. So this requires consistent service, consistent changes, and we cover products under a 10-year tailor and stock across the country. So this enables us to give good services and also enables us to provide spare parts very quickly to our consumers. Every product is inspected as per standards. We have a 100% inspection policy. No product leaves the factory premises without inspection as per standards. And we have 31 years of domain experience. So we've been in this industry and we've been manufacturing products for the past 31 years. We would love to take up your queries, and if you have any other questions, following the contact details, and we would love to help you out.
Thank you, Mr. Kapoor, for the wonderful presentation. Now I would like to invite Mr. Ankit and Mr. Sumit Agarwal from TriStar Pharmaceuticals for their presentation. TriStar Pharmaceuticals, they are from Chandigarh, and they will present about their UV sterilizer box and Pantox, which is a low cost and non-polluting alternative to disinfect various products. Over to you, Mr. Ankit.
Hello, Ankit. Can you please share the screen? Yeah, full screen. Hello, everyone. Thank you for giving us the opportunity of presenting our company, TriStar Pharmaceuticals. So we are manufacturing ultraviolet sterilizers. This was first of its kind product developed by IIT Ropar. And the idea behind was to provide emergency disinfection to healthcare workers and frontline agencies. So the idea which we floated was also endorsed by IIT Ropar, which presented us this technology. And next screen, please. So the best and the most easiest was to convert a household trunk so that it could be delivered to masses very quickly, because normally the design part takes a lot of time and we didn't have that much time. So in the lockdown only in early May, we developed this product and started giving it out to the market. So now the second product which came up with is UV Zap. It's a small device with all the same attributes of a UVC trunk. The total disinfection time is 10 minutes, and we can put all kinds of paper, electronics, medicines, fruits, AC remotes, TV remotes, everything which we don't want to disinfect with the use of chemicals, we can put it in this product, like a UVC trunk or the UVC Zap. Next, please. Next slide. So we are already providing this product to we're already providing this product to hospitals, clinics, factories, and banks. And also we have supplied this to the Chief Minister's office and to the Punjab AG office. Next slide. And some senior judges and lawyers are already using this product to disinfect their files. Next, please.
The production capacity is on the screen.
Yeah, the production capacity is about 500 pieces per month, and we have 3 different sizes available in this product. Next. So the other product which we are very, this is a Pentox, is a natural hygiene solution. It's a German technology which we imported during the lockdown, and we started manufacturing this in our facility at TriStar Pharmaceuticals. And this is a very, it's a natural hygiene solution because the product, it's based on hypochlorous acid. Now, hypochlorous acid is something which is produced naturally in our body. And this is the product which when after disinfection breaks down into salt and water. So it is very effective on virus, fungus, spores, and molds, and it is safe and non-toxic and non-flammable to use. See, we don't need to use any PP kits to spray this product, and since it is neutral and non-corrosive, it has a lot of many applications in schools, colleges, and restaurants and catering businesses. So wherever we need any kind of a disinfection, which we are talking, and safety is the prime importance, this product can be used. It is, since it is safe to use, it doesn't affect the human skin, rather it's skin friendly, and it doesn't leave any hazardous residue. And we've got safety studies done from Shriram Laboratories, Delhi, to prove that. Next slide. So the areas of application in hospitals is sterilizing of rooms, the AC, the operation theaters, the dental equipment and instruments, clothes, dishes, and any other areas where we require emergency disinfection. We can use a concentrated version of this product and do fogging with this, and in less than 30 minutes, the whole area is disinfected. Next, please. The dilutions of this product, since it is very concentrated product, we use for general disinfection, we need to use just 10 ml in 1 liter. And for other product, other disinfection, we just need to use 20 ml in 1 liter of water. And for general fogging, we require, if we have using the ULV fogging machine, we can use it as a concentrate for fogging. Next, please. And next slide.
The description of the product.
Description of the product, it is non-toxic, non-flammable. See, most of the disinfectants available in the market are flammable alcohol based, and they're very highly irritant to the skin and eyes. Whereas while using this product, you don't need to, you don't need to be careful about the PP kits, the safety gear to be used. And we also, we can, there's no rinsing required. If you are using this for, especially for food products disinfection, we can just rinse it in the product and let it dry. Next. So it is compatible with all surfaces and delicate equipment, and the non-corrosive and non-toxic nature gives it the most number of points to be used as a very effective and safe disinfectant. So my idea is, which side will you be? Will you be part of the solution, or you will be part of the pollution? I look forward to interact with you more on my given numbers. So we are available at Chandigarh address, the Tristar Pharmaceutical Private Limited. And we are also available on Insta, Facebook, and you can also view our website, pentox.in, to get more information. That'll be all from my side. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the very informative and wonderful presentation. Now, moving further, I request Mr. Krishan Bajaj from Shri Krishan Industries to make presentation. And they will be sharing presentation about the foot operated faucets and soap dispensers developed by them. Sir, आप unmute करो, Krishan sir. Krishan sir, आप unmute करो पहले. दिख रहा है. पर ये कृष्ण सर अनम्यूट.
आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी सर आ रही है.
गुड आफ्टरनून टू ऑल द मेंबर्स. मैं कृष्ण बजाज MD of Shri Krishna Industries. Since 1977 से हम all kinds of bathroom fitting, sanitary fitting, किचन फिटिंग का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करते हैं जी। और अभी कोविड जब 19 शुरू हुआ तो उसके बाद में हमने हैंड फ्री फुट ऑपरेटेड पंप का रेल कोच फैक्ट्री में ऑलरेडी अप्रूव हो चुका है और वहाँ पर हमने सप्लाई भी दिया है जी। उसके अलावा और हमने हॉस्पिटल्स में भी माल सप्लाई किया है जी। तो ये हमारा पूरा गारंटी वाला प्रोडक्ट है जी। और इसके अलावा हम 1977 से काम कर रहे हैं, 44 इयर्स हो गया हमको ये काम करते को जी। और आई एम ऑलरेडी मेंबर ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री डेवलपमेंट काउंसिल अप्रूव्ड बाय प्लानिंग कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया जी। तो जितना भी हमारा प्रोडक्ट है फुल गारंटेड है जी। ये आइटम हैंड फ्री फुट ऑपरेटेड है जी। ये फुल ब्रास का है जी। इसके साथ में जो आपको जहाँ से पानी आएगा टैप्स है, ये भी फुल ब्रास का है जी। इसके पीछे एक कैप लगा हुआ है, ये भी फुल ब्रास का है जी। और इसमें 2 शावर ट्यूब आती हैं, एक इनलेट है एक आउटलेट है जी। ये कंप्लीट सेट हमारे पास अवेलेबल है जी। शुक्रिया जी।
Thank you, sir. It was very brief and to the point. Now, moving further, and I would request Mr. Tushar to make presentation on behalf of Ekam Traders. They are from Amritsar, and they will make presentation about the COVID safety shields and touchless door openers. Over to you, Mr. Tushar. Mr. Tushar, you can show full screen. Full screen.
Good afternoon, everyone. In fact, it is nearing good evening. I am going to make a presentation about Ekam signages. It is unit of the Ekam Trader conglomerate. It's not showing, just a second. Up, mute. Is it visible now?
No, full screen.
So this is Ekam Traders, a unit of this is Ekam Signages, a unit of Ekam Traders. These are a few of the interesting things that Ekam has actually developed during the COVID as a COVID response. What you see on the left hand side is a touchless door opener. This was one of the most popular products they innovated right at the start of the COVID pandemic, wherein everybody was scared about touching surfaces. Then they had another solution for this is a display of what they had prepared for a salon, so that people can actually visit the salons and get various requirements done. This is a scene from the office. They have made a separator between the client and the conductor of the office. And then it's a very similar apparatus here set up for a salon. Now, the organization ACOM has been in service for the last 18 years in the business, and for COVID, during the COVID response, they started making acrylic partitions. They have a very unique achievement of coming up with these products right at the start. In fact, they were one of the people who have created the market for acrylic partitions in and around Amritsar. One of the most of the clients that they catered to during the COVID pandemic were salons, banks, restaurants, offices, even buses and cars. They made solutions. Some of the products that they have done are touchless door openers made of metal, 8 mm acrylic sheets used for all partitions, in-house designing and fabrication, well-equipped workshop. Customization can be done as per specific requirements. Now, the see-through, the few selling points about these partitions are that they are absolutely see-through clear partitions and can be customized to suit your requirements. Very high quality acrylic sheets are used for long-lasting solutions. Customers can actually design the partitions to their liking, as precision machine tools are available to create required shapes. Pricing as per the quality and complexity of the design requirements is actually done. You can get in touch with Mr. Jaspreet Singh. These are his coordinates, and after the presentations are done, we shall be sharing his coordinates with the August audience here. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Tusharji. Now, I again request Mr. Tushar to present on behalf of Mansar Herbals. They are from Jalandhar, and Mr. Tushar will make presentation about their immunity booster products. Over to Tushar. You can share full screen.
Yeah, just. Is it visible now?
Yeah, it is.
Thank you. This is Mansar Herbals Immunity Booster products. Mansar Herbals, these are some of the products that they have come up during COVID. One of them is the CP Forte Chyawanprash. Then there is Majnoon After Moon. It is a prescription drug from Ayurveda. Then you have the very popular Tulsi drops and Tejas Amle, which has proven to be a very, very good product, essentially to boost immunity for for all the people, right from younger ages to the senior citizens. Now, this is the third generation of Ayurveda practitioners. They have all the formulations which have been done based on Ayurveda texts in-house. These very, very strict quality checks on raw materials are undertaken. In fact, whatever they use, they take quality certificates from their suppliers, so that in case there are any fake products, they ensure that they don't get any fake raw materials for their products. In-house, the entire process is in-house manufacturing. Some of the achievements that they have done is the Tejas Amle, which is respiratory immuno approved by Ayush Punjab. Then they have developed Tulsi drops, which are natural oxidants, which help boost immunity, digestion, and skin health as well. Then Majnoon After Moon is useful in migraines, headaches, and rhinitis and sinusitis. Now, this is a prescription drug for the Ayurveda line of treatment. Then CP Forte Chyawanprash, which is good for cold, cough, bronchitis, holistic immunity booster. Now, Chyawanprash, this is very similar to the other compositions which are sold in the market. Now, the selling proposition is the quality is available, quantity is available on demand, in the sense that whatever quantity you want, we have the capability of delivering. The products are highly recommended by Ayurvedic and medical practitioners. Availability is across India. They are interested in expanding their distribution network. So one-on-one discussions can actually be done. People who are interested in taking up distribution letters can get in touch with us. And there is a progressive profit sharing strategy available for bulk buyers. This is actually to encourage the growth of the distribution of the product. You can get in touch with Shri Abhay Dogra. His coordinates are here, and we shall be sharing the details of the presentation. Thank you, Rimli.
Thank you, Tusharji. Now I would like to invite KS Munjal Industries from Ludhiana for their presentation, and they will be presenting about the unique hand sanitizer stands, which are portable and they can be installed at any place. Over to Mr. Tushar. You can share the full screen.
Is it visible now? Citizen press conference.
No, not full screen yet.
This is a PDF, so probably just a moment. Let me.
Okay, you can maximize the view.
This is citizen press components. They are into manufacturing of very, very compact, lightweight, and easily fixable hand sanitizer stands. These stands, they come in very, very small boxes. They are actually foldable stands, which were quite in vogue, which are quite in vogue these days. They're not very heavy, so it is easy to place them even temporarily. They need not be a fixture wherever the entrance or exit is for a building or your office or whatever you want to protect it from. Then the business proposition, Citizen Press Components has been in the business of auto parts for the last 31 years. For the last 1 year, they have been making hand sanitizer stands. Now, foot-operated hand sanitizer is easy to operate and easy to assemble. It is also safe because of foot-operated. Because it is foot-operated, height of the sanitizer stand is adjustable. This is one of the most unique features of the product. Now, the selling proposition is we have a variety of hand sanitizer stands. Our production capacity is around 500 pieces a day. The progressive discounts can be offered for purchases for more than 500 sanitizers. And we offer multiple choice for our hand sanitizer stands. So for all inquiries, please get in touch with Mr. Manjinder Singh and Mr. Rahul Singh. Their coordinates are shared and it will be shared later as well. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we invite Priority Solutions from Mohali to make presentation about their sensor-based mist and UV sanitizers. Over to you, Mr. Tushar. You can show full screen.
Yeah, it is coming.
Yeah.
This is Priority Solutions. Priority Solutions is a very, very innovative organization. Today we are going to discuss two of its products, which is mist sanitizers and UV sanitizing boxes. For the company, it has been in operations for the last 16 years in the business of design and development of engineering solutions and turnkey solutions, dedicated team for development of mist sanitizers and UV sanitization chambers for a year now. Achievements, the first mist disinfectant tunnel was developed with DRDO. In fact, they have been working with DRDO for a fairly long time now on various projects, including COVID response. More than 200 UV disinfectant chambers across the industry they have distributed. Their disinfectant chambers can be are visible in government offices, businesses, homes, industry. One of the few of the key clients that Priority can boast of is PGI Chandigarh, then the Judicial Court of Chandigarh, then DRDO, CSIO, and other government offices. More than 500 installations have taken place pan-India. Product description, we are going to discuss the UV disinfectant chamber first. It is a scientifically proven UVC, UV chamber, kills 99.99% of the germs on exposure, in the sense that they have to be exposed to the UV lights inside the chamber. Environmental friendly because it is a non-chemical based disinfectant. It is non-allergic, non-toxic. The design is absolutely safe. Now, the technical specifications are the one that has been mentioned, but as per the requirements, the technical specifications can change. The chambers can be designed as per whatever is the specific need of the customer. The current capacity on display is around 25 liters. There are 2 lamps which has a total power consumption of 16 watts and a lamp life of 9,000 hours. Now, the second product that we are going to discuss today is mist sanitizers. The key features are safe sanitizer cost, non-spillage nozzle, non-contact application, plastic body, non-rusty, safe design. Now, one of the key things or the challenges that a lot of public spaces like hospitals, hotels, people who were coming in contact with the general public at a very high frequency. Every time they used to sanitize their hands, the alcohol was, it was having a very, very bad effect on the skin of the person. Now, over a period of time, the skins started cracking of most of these people, and it was a very, very painful thing that has emerged because of sanitizing your hands continuously with alcohol because of excess. So what we have done at Priority Solutions is that we have readjusted the nozzle for a much lesser throw. The timer has also been altered with sensors so that it is not, the throw is not continuously for a duration. It is only for the duration that the hand is under the nozzle. And the throw is also been limited, and mist has been introduced so that with minimum sanitizer, the impact can be achieved for sanitizing the hands. Now, the technical specifications are provided here. It is an 8 liters capacity. The power consumption is 5 watts, and the nozzle life is 10,000 shots. Now, the selling proposition, for the UV disinfectant chamber, the customized sizing can be done as per the volumes. Our capacity is of 500 units per month. For mist sanitizers, the standard design is of 8 liters, which is available. Our production capacity is 200 units per month. These are our coordinates. We are available here in Mohali itself. We are from Punjab, we are from India, and we would like all of you to please call us for a demonstration of our products. These are our coordinates, and we shall be sharing it later. Thank you, Ravindra.
Thank you. Thank you, Priority Solutions. Now we move forward to, I now invite Mr. Tushar to present on behalf of Shri Shyam Industries from Sangrur. They will make presentation of the products they are offering: face mask, gloves, shoe covers, and caps produced by them for use in COVID-19. You can show full screen. Yeah.
Is it coming?
Yeah.
These are, this is Shri Shyam Industries. They are into disposable safety products. These products are essentially, for the safety of the people who are in public spaces. Some of the products are like Buffon caps, then the 3-ply masks, and these are ID shoe covers. The name of the organization is Shri Shyam Industries. It has been in operations for the last 2 years of making disposable safety products. During the COVID pandemic, they started manufacturing 3-ply masks. They set up the entire production line during the COVID pandemic. This is an achievement for them. Now, the production process, as you can see, it is absolutely in-house. These are some operational pictures that are shared about the machine, the way it is produced. These are non-medical grade products in this. The product description, the fabric which is used is a PP spun bond non-woven. The entire production process is in-house. Products are of disposable nature. Buffon caps, these and PP hand gloves are also manufactured by them. The selling proposition, our production capacity is up to 1 lakh masks per day. We offer a choice of 5 colors for our PPs, which is blue, white, green, black and gray. Products can be supplied across Punjab. Progressive discounts can be offered for bulk purchases and very, very reliable and committed vendors. To get in touch with Sri Sham Industries, you can call up Mr. Kapil Kumar. His coordinates are shared and his email ID is also there. So please feel free to get in touch with him. Thank you, Ramit.
Thank you, Tusharji. Now we'll move towards the last presentation for the day. I invite Clarity Medical from Mohali for the presentation, and they will highlight the diagnostic equipment, including oximeters and ventilators. Over to you, Mr. Tushar. You can show full screen.
Is it visible now?
Yeah.
This is Clarity Medical. They are into specialized, in fact, diagnostic technologies. Some of the products that are available with Clarity are EMG, Octopus, spirometers, EEG, BrainTech, and EasyTrack, world's smallest EMG. These are essentially specialized medical equipment that is manufactured by them. Clarity Medical has been in the business for the last 20 years in the business of medical devices. Product lines are patient monitors, pulse oximeters, ECG machines, EEG machines, EMG, NCS, EP machines. The key clients that Clarity Medical can boast of is PGI Chandigarh, then a whole host of clients in the private sector. The product lines are, in fact, there are multiple products in every segment. So what we have done here is that mention these product lines specifically, and based on the interest in the August audience, we shall be sharing them individually, the lines of the products and the capacities that we offer. What we have here is an electromygraph product, electroencephalograph product, ICU grade patient monitors, spirometers, syringe pumps, complete range of ECG machines, other products, and Clarity 4 alert products. Now, why Clarity? We are a totally Indian best quality products, more than 50,000 satisfied customers, qualified and expert sales and support staff, Indian leading medical equipment manufacturer, largest sales and service network in the country, more than 25,000 installations under the brand name of Clarity, serving the nation throughout in-house design and manufacturing. Now, one of the things that we'd like to mention about Clarity Medical Private Limited is that the organization was initiated by qualified engineers, and the seed funding was done from other professionals from the Silicon Valley, and that was 20 years back. So they have successfully built a business on quality on diagnostic technologies. Please feel free to get in touch with Mr. Prithvi Raj. He's the licensing officer for Clarity Medicals, and he can explain you the capacities and the variations of the products that could suit your requirements, and the coordinates shall be shared with you in the subsequent mails as well. Now, thank you, Ramit.
Thank you, Tusharji. Participants, now we open house to discussion. If you have any query, you can show a raise of hand. We can unmute you, and your query can be answered. or you can also type in chat box, right? The house is open for discussion. You can show a raise of hands. We can take your queries. And you can also write in chat if you have any query. Dear participants, can you hear me? If there are any queries, we can take up during the session. Mr. Vipin, you would like to ask? I'm unmuting you. You can ask a query, Mr. Vipin Mittal.
It's a wonderful meeting and the presentation was very useful to us. We would like to get back if there is any requirement. Right now, there is no requirement. Thank you very much. Thanks for the presentation.
Okay. Dr. Lab, yeah, you can unmute and ask your query, please. Yes, sir, you can unmute, yes.
Yes, thank you very much. Good afternoon. Yeah, in fact, I just wanted to ask one small concern, people's point of view. Like in view of the new items coming up with the innovation in the present scenario of pandemic environment, like what efforts the industry is making to cut the cost so that the price of the product is affordable to the customer? What efforts the industry is making to do that? Thank you. Am I clear?
Yeah, we can hear. So MSME members, who would like to answer?
I'm sorry, sir. Could you please repeat your question? It was not very clear.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to know what efforts the industry is making to cut the cost so that the price of the products, very new products for to face the pandemic environment, high products will become affordable in the long run for the common man. So what efforts the industry is making to cut the cost?
So I think, yes. So I think, sir, everybody could answer about their, everybody is an expert of their own industry. So everybody could, give their viewpoint on their own field. But considering our field, we are a manufacturer of bathroom fittings. So just to give, economical products, we are innovating on new designs. We're making compact, smaller pieces so that, we can consume less material and give better functionality or the same functionality in the same material. Also, we are focusing on substituting materials. So in our industry, brass is the key component, which is a little expensive. So we are trying to, substitute materials and have cheaper materials at similar quality so that it becomes more affordable to the common man.
Hope your queries answer, Dr. La.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other query with participants, they can show a raise of hand so we can accordingly answer the same. will provide telephone numbers of all the innovators. So you can, get in touch with them for any query you have of the products, and if you wish to place some order, you can contact them. Any other query? So we'll share the contact details of all the MSME members who presented today. So you can get in touch with them. And I close the session. Karan sir, you would like to say?
No, thank you so much. I think it was very interesting and very, I would say, knowledgeable for me also, because such products even and such innovations were not, I think, known to me, and especially coming from the region, it's even a matter of proud. So I'm sure, I think you share all the details with everybody, and it's going to give opportunity for each side. And so look forward to many more sessions like this. Thank you, Ramneet, for organizing this.
Yeah, sir. And tomorrow we are having session for the education sector. Yeah.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. So I'm closing the session. Thank you all.